Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
Start by selecting one medium napa cabbage, roughly 5 pounds, quarter and cut into pieces about 5 inches wide. Dissolve 1/4 cup kosher salt in 4 cups water to make a light brine and soak the cabbage 1 to 2 hours, turning once. Rinse and drain thoroughly. For the spice paste, combine 1/2 cup Korean red pepper flakes, 1/4 cup fish sauce, 2 tablespoons salted shrimp or 2 tablespoon miso, 1 tablespoon sugar, and 3 cloves minced garlic. Blend to a smooth paste. Dry the cabbage well and use disposable or silicone gloves to protect your hands. Massage the spice paste into each leaf so every surface is coated evenly. Stir in 1 medium grated carrot and 3 green onions sliced into 1-inch segments for texture and balance. Pack the mixture firmly into a clean 1-quart jar, pressing down until the brine rises over the vegetables. Leave 1-inch headspace to accommodate gases. Wipe the rim. Seal loosely with a lid or use an airlock to allow fermentation gases to escape. Place the jar where temperature stays between 60 and 70 degrees F and ferment for 3 to 7 days, checking daily and tasting after day 3 until you reach the preferred tang. Press down to keep vegetables submerged. If bubbles form, skim and release pressure. When the flavor and aroma are balanced, move the jar to the refrigerator at 38 to 40 degrees F to slow fermentation and preserve crunch. Use a clean utensil each time. Properly refrigerated kimchi keeps for several months and develops deeper flavor over time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.